Hello again everyone, it's Dave M0OGY in North Lincolnshire in the UK, bringing you another review of the new Cobra 75 STEU. This is an updated version of a current radio from the United States, an FCC type approved version of this radio. Now this has just been launched in Europe, and it should be available to the general public anytime now. That's the packaging it comes with. It's not a very large package at all. It's smaller than I actually thought. In fact, I didn't think it was the radio at all when the box came this morning. Right, so firstly, in front of the packaging we've got the mounting bracket, which is a zinc and yellow passivated standard fair mounting bracket. There's your thumb screws. You've got some fasteners and fixings and the microphone hanger. Now that's the box of tricks. That's designed to mount under your seat, in the footwell, on the firewall, wherever. The lead that comes with it for the microphone isn't too long, certainly not long enough to mount in your boot. I'm sure if you bought an 8-pin male and female connector and a length of microphone cable, that'd soon be easily remedied. Right, the box isn't very large. As I say, it's got a 8-pin screw-on microphone connector on the front. So I'll show you around the back in a moment. There's an SO239 UHF female connector, a 3.5mm jack plug and a hard wired power lead with a fuse, and it does have a cigarette lighter power point plug on the end, as most of these new radios, and certainly Cobras, seem to have these days. The box is not very large to mount. It's about the size of my hand. Yeah, it's not very big at all, so you should really be able to find somewhere to mount that quite easily. Comes looking to the left, because it's a European radio. It comes with 6 operating manuals, Polish, German, various languages, and there's the other 3. The all important English one. Yeah, there's the plug in my power supply. We've had to bring the one of the large ones in, as these plugs on the smaller power supplies, we haven't got cigarette lighter plug, so we're using that at the moment. Right, looking at the microphone, where all the controls are. It's not much larger and a good quality hand mic. Yeah. Right, you got your press to talk at the bottom, up and down channels. That also alters a few bits as well, which I'll show you in a moment. On the right hand side at the bottom there, squelch control, volume on off. Then we'll go through the functions when I fire it up in a moment. It's got a built-in speaker, which is obviously speaking to that one, and it also receives, or preferably I would personally have a decent extension speaker plugged in the unit myself, but it's got options there. Right, I'll show you how it works. It's a liquid crystal LCD display. we'll show you how it fires up and how to operate it. Fairly straightforward. Certainly not like my wife's Samsung S3 Galaxy, that's for sure. Right. Yeah, it was turned on anyway. Right, it's in GB, in the position for the GB in the multi-standard countries at the moment. It's on channel 14. There's an old braking channel for you. Right, so you've got, when you turn it off, yeah, off, on, lights everything up. You've got your bar graphs for your S meter, various things. Right, so you've got a memory function on the left hand side there. You've got a key lock that locks your channels and everything, so you can't accidentally go up and down and move channels. And you see there's an emblem coming the your top left hand corner, on off there, yeah, look. Right, moving along, you've got your sound tracker. Right, let's turn some lights on it. The sound tracker off. Squelch there. Right, now then, you got channel 9 and 19. You can split between it. Look, there's a little emblem for a warning emblem. Not that I doubt many people use channel 9 as an emergency channel these days, but I believe it's still monitored in America by React. I may be wrong, but I think it is. You've got channel 9, 19. You can flick between the two, and third press you go back to your original channel. Right, moving along, you got dual watch function there, so you can be listening to channels. It's not like a dual watch on you know, your Yaesus or anything that listens to bands. It flicks between the two. Look, there you are. Look, it's just going between the two, so you can sort of listen bits of conversations, I guess. Now when it gets one, I'm sure it'll grab it. But there, yeah, that's dual watch, listening to channels. Press it again to get shut of that. Then you've got a scan facility if you have your squelch up. Yeah, scanning through your channels. Obviously when it hears someone, it'll stop. Anyway, and then your final key on that side, look, AM FM. That's if it's in you know, a country that allows AM and FM, unlike the UK at the moment. I do wish they'd hurry up and allow us it. But anyway, that's enough of them politics. We'll wait and see what happens, eh? Right, so that's all the functions. It's fairly straightforward. You've got your PTT, and then you've got your channels on here, up and down. Got a key beep, I'm sure you can turn that off. I really do hope you can. Right, next. So if you want to change operation of country, you hold your sound tracker in, which is that one, with your finger, turn it on, there, let go, and it's flashing now. It's on GB. So then all you do is scroll through it with your up and down channels. Yeah, CE, EU, EU1, Germany, DE, guess that must be Italy, EU1, that's Spain, is it Poland, back to GB, and then all you do, press sound tracker again, and it's back where you wanted it. So really straightforward. Quality wise, yeah, it's alright, it's not bad. It seems fairly well screwed together. I believe it's made in China, looking at the back of the unit, but that's no bad thing these days. So we'll just have a look at the control unit now, see what it's all about. There's not much to look at, I'm afraid, but I will show you round the back of it. Right, we're just showing you the mic plug, screw in mic plug, 8 pin, nothing fancy, and we see the front of the unit. There you are. Quite why it's offset, I don't know. Yeah, just an 8-pin socket. Right, we'll have a look on the back of the unit now. Right, we're back. We're just having a look at the back of the unit. Nothing much to see, I'm afraid, but just thought I'd show you it. You've got a hard-wired power lead straight through the back through a plastic grommet. Above that, you've got a out of focus, an extension speaker socket. Standard fare SO239 UHF coupler for your antenna. Then your serial number. And that one's, well, you can see the serial number ending 513. I believe this is the second batch. I think some have already gone out, I may be wrong. And as it says on there, made in China. So, nothing much to see there, I'm afraid. But that's the back panel of the Cobra 75 STEU. Right, thanks for watching the part 1 of the Cobra review. Big thanks to Cobra Europe for sending me this sample to try and evaluate fairly early on. I do appreciate it. And if you're about in a week or two, hopefully I'll do a few on-air tests. I'm actually waiting for a new antenna to come at the moment, so maybe I'll be able to try this on that one. So thanks very much for watching the part 1 review of the Cobra 79 ST EU in the UK. Catch you soon. Thanks very much. Best 7-3 from Dave M0OGY. Cheers. Catch you next time. Bye bye.